to know the difference between Stazon and Memento ink pads? Let me show you. Stazon is a permanent ink that is alcohol-based. It's great for watercoloring. So go ahead and use your Stazon and stamp an image. Use your water-based ink pads, get it on your acrylic, and now use your water pen to go over your area. Because this is alcohol-based, you can see that you're watercoloring. You can color right over the image. You can see this ink was water-based, and so as I went over it, it didn't bleed at all. Now let's look at Memento. Because Memento is water-based, you want to use alcohol-based markers. See how we just go right over the outline. It does not bleed. And here's our finished product using Memento. Remember, use the right ink and the right markers, and you'll never bleed onto your paper.